to the fascinating world of binary options. I'm Todd. That is Eric. We are so happy that you are with us tonight. Thank you for being here.
Yeah. Dude, is your mic on?
What?
Is your mic on? It did
Testing one, two.
did you turn your mic down?
I
You
don't
you didn't mess
think
with it, did you?
I don't think I did, bro.
Okay. All right.
Hang on.
I've got everything opened up now. Okay? And
Bro, I haven't touched it. Do I
all
sound
right.
okay?
You sound fine.
Do I need to turn it up? Do I need to do something?
No, you don't need to do nothing.
Because man, I don't know that like
I don't think you need to do anything, bro.
I don't feel like I need to do nothing. I mean,
I don't think so. Tonight is going to be one of the most epic nights ever. We're doing Todd's new plan. And but first, I'm gonna get me some nuts. I gotta get these nuts out.
these nuts.
These nuts. I got a whole bag of trail mix. Man, all is so good.
All right,
Um,
so let me fill everybody in since this is my
all
strategy.
right, you fill them in like for 2 minutes. I'm going to get a cold orange soda. When I get back, I'm literally going to start hitting the
I've got some
button
Gold Peak iced tea in
on
my
American
Chick-fil-A
Express.
cup.
All right, well, let them know.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. So, I gotta think about this here for a minute. All right, so we have people watching from all over on all kinds of platforms. We got people on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, where else? Twitter, and some other places that we may not know about. Um, so anyway, we've been doing this now for I don't know, like 50 some days. Um, six. I guess it's episode 62. So I guess we've been doing it for about 62 episodes. Binary options to me is I get frustrated with placing trades that just seem to turn around randomly, even though you think they're going every which way, a certain way, and then you place the trade and it just goes the other way. Well, that's binary options for you. That's how it works. And all these people that do all this analysis and figure all this out, and think about these trades, they lose too. And I've found that the strategy that I came up with that's more just math, I don't want to say mathematical, but it's just more of a strategy that goes with trying to beat the odds more than anything. It's kind of a brainless, mindless trading method, but it does seem to beat the odds. I've tested it over and over and over, and really the win rate is about the same that I can come up with on my own if I do all kinds of analysis. So I decided, well, let's just put the strategy to the test. Let's try to win some trades. We have a trading plan. If you've been following us, you know that we have some charts available that tell you how many trades you need to win each day and how much you'll make and so forth. So basically, we're just going to try to beat the odds, and we'll see if they beat us. But in all my tests, I've never gone deeper than a fourth loss. I've never lost more than four in a row. Could it happen? Sure, but I've always won that fifth trade if I got down to it. Now, we're going to be instead of in the martingale system, if you're familiar with that, instead of going at a 2.25% makeup strategy, which if you win a 2.25 makeup, martingale makeup, then it will give you the full amount that you've lost up to that point, plus the profit of the trade. We're going to do a 1.25% makeup, which basically will allow us to go deeper without fronting as much money. Except that when we get the win, it basically just puts back what we've lost up until that point and doesn't clear a win. So we have to get two consecutive wins in order to actually be able to have a win. So So they've got to be net wins, and yeah, that's kind of how it works. So, okay, now I'm just bored because I've explained that, and I'm waiting on Eric to get back. And there he is. All right, and so
I'm
yeah,
back.
so he told me all
I
about
want to
it.
hear if this works.
He's
I'm
getting
listening to my
better.
other headphones, so
He's been putting
wonder
some
if it
cream
does.
on it, and he said that in a couple of weeks it should subside. His doctor said that if he quit scratching at it, it'll go away. So that's what's going on, right, Eric? Right, buddy? He has no idea that I'm even making
Dude,
fun of him.
listen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I explained the strategy.
I was trying to level out our mics. I think I finally leveled them out. So hold on. I leveled out our mics. I could hear what you were saying.
Hmm.
Did you tell him about that thing on my
But yeah, I told
thing?
him all about it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know,
At
I
least it's not
finally got it.
monkeypox, right?
I think I turned myself up because you're softer than you've been.
Well, I could make a joke right there, but I
Um,
won't.
what what's wrong with you, man?
Man, I'm tired, bro. I've had a long day. I had to clean a piano today. You know
How
what
come you
that's like?
sound so soft, dude? Did you like break everything or something? Did you break everything?
How's that? Is that any better?
Yeah, why? What'd you do?
I turned up my mic a little bit. Turned up
Okay.
the white knob, the
Yeah, did you turn it down or something before?
No, I don't remember doing that.
All right. It doesn't matter because I don't even
Does it
watch
sound
your
better
show.
now? Does it sound a little
Yeah, it
better?
sounds a little more level now. All right.
Okay.
We'll have to redo the sound check if this is screwed up, okay?
Yeah.
I mean, we'll have to redo the levels later in a test. We're already in a live stream, so let's just go with it. If one of us is louder than the other, then people are just going to have to be like, hopefully it's me because I'm the favorite of the show.
Sure.
All right. When are you ready to pull the trigger on this? The starting trade is $1.04.
Okay, now you have the trades written out.
Which it's supposed to be $1.04, but I think I'm just going to use $1 to start with.
Okay,
that
yeah, and then you're gonna
easier.
go. Okay, so we're gonna go up to 6 deep. We're gonna keep pushing through. You've got a 1.25% makeup strategy, right?
Right.
Okay, which you did account for. In that you have to add up everything you've lost up till the the last
Yeah.
trade, I guess.
I've done all the math. Yeah.
Okay, so you've got it all. Okay, good. Now we're gonna do this. We're gonna see if the odds are in our favor. And
All right. I'm on American Express to start with.
okay.
And I'm going to kind
I
of
was on
watch
Apple.
Apple. Okay.
Yeah,
We
Apple's
can
at
do
80,
Apple
so
first. Okay.
we need to do that. All right, let's just or where do you
Huh?
want to start? I don't care where we start.
Well, we can start at Apple because I didn't have Apple in my sites, but I've got 30 seconds to put it in there.
Okay.
I'm looking at Apple right now.
So we're starting with dollar trade. Is that what the chart calls for? Or
It's $1.04, but I think I'm just going to do $1 since.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so
I
the
just don't want to
dollar.
accidentally hit like 104 or something.
All right, so we're gonna go for
A call on this candle right here, 6.5 on Apple. 3, 2, 1. We're doing on a call, and we're in.
okay.
Begins.
All right, you're gonna go on to American Express. I'm gonna stay here in the chart.
I will tell you that I looked at my deposit tickets and slips from Coinbase and everything, and it was May 20th, May 12th or 20th, when I very first started with Pocket Option, last year. So it's literally been a year. And so after a year of working with this, we finally decided that the best way to win is just guess over and over again. Now, this dude, people watching the show probably think we're morons at this point.
And you know what? We might be. We're gonna lose this one probably, most likely.
Okay. So it's 130 to the next one, 1.3.
Make sure you don't forget the decimal.
I got it, and I'm going to be putting American Express.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to mark down the loss. Putting American Express. Well, dude, I've been trading all day.
Mm-hmm.
It's ridiculous. I've tried all of our different strategies throughout the day, and
The whole thing, I've just concluded that the whole thing is about beating the odds. You know, that's really all it is.
yeah.
I mean, tell me I'm
If you
wrong.
don't have a plan to beat the odds, you might as well just throw your money away in pocket option.
Mm-hmm.
Because, dude, I've done all the analysis, and I've done the stuff, and I'm not saying you couldn't. I mean, I don't know. I'm still thinking about doing some more research and studying, but the methods that we've looked at, and a lot of the methods on
This one's going to probably be a win.
okay, yeah, good.
So far it
Oh,
is
Boeing.
anyway. It's
Okay,
not
I'm set
moving a
it
whole
back to
lot.
one. Oh yeah, it's probably
This
gonna be a
is
win.
probably going to be a win. So you're on the next chart now?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, it's at 76%, so I've got to go up here. Okay, I've got to go to Cisco. Boeing was at 75, so I closed it.
Okay.
We're on Cisco.
Yep. Okay.
And then the next one is Facebook, I believe. This one looks like a massive loss.
Yeah, pretty big. Which means that so far, this is a first trade, but we've got to get 2 consecutive wins in order to get a win at all. It has to be a net win. But they're going to happen, don't worry.
Probably, yeah.
You know, it's just how they fall. So
this one's gonna have to be a makeup at 130.
mm-hmm. What chart you going to next?
Facebook looks like. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't know, man. It's just like now we just get to hang out. We don't have to talk about charts. What do you want to talk about?
I don't know, because you know, who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows?
You don't know?
I don't know, because now you know there's no real analysis. We're just waiting on trades to go our way. And yeah, I mean,
Dude, I did a bunch of, like I said, I did a bunch of trading, and I looked at a lot of patterns, and I think in hindsight,
this one's winning now.
there may be something. In hindsight, you can kind of see all the things going on, like the crosses and everything else. But I've noticed
this one's going to be a win, bro.
All right, Johnson & Johnson is $1 back to $1. I'm going to be entering a call on Johnson & Johnson in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Call it out. There we go. That's a win.
Did we skip Intel for some reason?
I did, yeah, because I just didn't have it open. It might have not been at 80% when I started.
Okay.
The next one will be McDonald's.
Yeah.
I can put Intel on there. Coming up, not next, but next. What I think this will be a win. Maybe. Actually, no, this is a double cross with the trend. I think this one will probably lose. I mean, it could win. You tell me what's happening.
So far, it's losing. I mean, just be prepared for a
seconds,
makeup.
130.
If I tell you to hold, that means
I'm watching it. Oh wait, I gotta be on McDonald's. Okay.
I don't know. This could be close. No, it's going to be a loss. It's a loss.
All right, I'm in on McDonald's. Shot up at the last second, so that's why it looks weird.
Yeah,
so basically, every minute we're going to be taking a trade.
Right. We are going to be constantly in trades until we get 15 wins or until we lose our butts, which that's probably not going to happen.
We'll be losing 6 trades, which is $60. That's not my whole butt.
That's losing our butts.
It's losing a butt
in terms
hair.
of this program anyway, but who knows?
That's losing like a butt hair or like a toenail. You don't ever want to lose a toenail, actually. Okay, this one's going to be a win, it looks like, I think.
As long as it stays up there, I don't know. It's getting close, but yeah. Crap.
Okay, is it a
It's a
loss?
loss. It's a loss. Yeah, it was a close one, but man, it was a loss. Yeah.
What was that then? Okay, so then we gotta wait. I gotta wait and reset. $3. Microsoft. I'm not entering yet. We'll have to wait. That one was so close.
That was very close.
Well,
Microsoft is a very good flippy chart too.
yeah, it is. Look at it. So what happens is whenever I did like all kinds of, like I said, I did all kinds of crazy trading, and I would win some, lose some, win some, lose. It's so random. And I realized that if you can just get some depth, when the first book I ever read on options, Call or Put, the guy just said,
2 seconds.
He just said, what is this? A crossword down? That's against the white line. See, I would have definitely thought that would be a call. That was right on the white line.
Mm-hmm.
He said, like, if you can go deep, you'll never lose. So I don't know. I know he wasn't just randomly taking trades, but
Right. What's your next chart?
Microsoft? No, Tesla. What's this one going to be, a loss too?
Probably. Unless it goes back up, but it's got some volatility, so who knows? It's only got 13 seconds, but it's going back up. But no, it's going back down.
I'm watching it.
Going back and forth here. Are you watching 2 different screens?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that one was a loss.
So this is a fourth trade?
Mm-hmm. Is it? Yeah, I guess it is.
Well, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this is the fourth trade. Hopefully this wins. All right, what are we going to?
I mean, it looks like a good setup to go back down here. So
ExxonMobil is next on. Okay, this one is losing still. This one is actually losing. I'm on Exxon.
I think it might go down though. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, did it win?
No, not yet.
Did it win?
Crap. Nope, it lost.
Dang it! Are you freaking kidding me?
It was good. It was in the money, and then it went out.
All right, hold on. I saw it go way down in the money. Well, I didn't take ExxonMobil, so I'm going to go on to Amazon. Or should I just stick with ExxonMobil? Probably just stick with that one. That was our next one.
Whatever's next, I guess.
Mm-hmm. So how often do you go to a fourth trade?
Once in a while.
Really?
Excuse me.
So so if this ends, look at ExxonMobil.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a put, but what if it ends red? I guess I call it.
I would take a red.
Take a put or call or put?
I would take a put.
Right now? It's red.
I don't know. Well, I guess we're flipping, so take the flip.
Yeah. I mean, I was thinking of put because it's kind of going down, but I've been juked so much that. One, two, three, four. This is
Now, if we would have gotten in on this on time, we would have definitely already won this because.
Yeah.
We didn't know.
That's the randomness. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5.
So this is the 5th one?
Yeah, and this is a 6th trade on Amazon. You ready for this?
I've never taken a 5th. I've never lost a 5th trade ever. It's never happened to me. But we would have won the 5th trade if we were going right in order. I just want to point that out. But we missed it. Okay, you're going to have to take the next one. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, Amazon. It better be a flipper. This is the shortest episode of binary options losses I've ever seen in my entire life.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. Come on, flip, 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 flip. Well, what ticks me off is that the last one we would have won that. Do you realize that? We just missed.
Well, we
the
would
entry.
have, but we couldn't enter it because we were.
Well, that's there's that.
Mm,
That's the first time I've ever lost that many in a row. Do you realize that?
yeah, and you know what's funny?
What's that?
Not that it's funny.
Ironic, you mean?
It's ironic because the last time we did this, we did like a push method like this, and we, tested it, and we were like, "Oh, this is gonna work." We went in and we lost the first like 5 trades. That same remember we did like a push method like this, and we were like, so.
I don't know, but we missed our entry on that one, and it would have saved us. I'm ticked.
$439, down $61. So how do we get that back? Oh wow, yeah. That was the shortest 15-day plan we've ever done.
I think it was, dude.
Well,
are you like out of money in your account?
not really, kind of. I mean, it depends. My dad's down to like pretty much down to like 15. Emily's probably down there 15. I'm like at like 30, I think.
What kills me is that it didn't have to happen. We missed an entry, and it busted us.
It was random, bro. It could have easily just been the other order. I mean, that's such a random.
Right.
Yeah, that one that we didn't enter
But the
would have
one
won.
that you didn't enter won.
Right, but I couldn't enter it because that one before it, like, I thought it was going to win, and then it lost. So, and also it was a double cross down with the trend. I thought for sure if I would have just taken that put, it probably would have won. So I think this method won't work. Well, we could try it again. We got 30. We could start with $30. We can go 5 deep, I think.
Can we?
$15. Let's see. Yeah, if you want to go, you can go 4 deep at.
That's the first time I've ever lost a fifth trade, and I wouldn't have lost a fifth trade had we gotten that entry. So I don't know. I hate to say that, but you got to enter every time. But I know you couldn't because
no, you can't. I mean, if you can sit there and hit the button without changing any things, then yeah, maybe. But you've got to like have time to re-enter. I mean, I guess I could have just entered after a few seconds and then just I would have been like 5 seconds late.
I want to go. Can we go into like an executive session here?
Can we end our podcast? Yeah, I mean, because
that way we can do this privately because I just don't want people watching.
Why? You don't want people to watch our live? Our
no, just because no, we need to. We need to discuss this privately, and then we'll go do our own trades without being live per se. Or we can go live again if we feel like
we can just go to bed because that was a total flop. I mean, that's the fastest I've ever lost, 5 in a row. Well, not the fastest because we just
But
bam,
we
bam,
almost
bam, bam.
didn't. Think about it. We almost didn't.
Yeah, but
We
dude,
missed our
you
one.
want to? Yeah, we could go live or we could just argue online.
No, I don't want to do that anymore.
We can just talk, but you don't want to do it? Okay.
No.
All right. Well, that's the episode for tonight. That is the first, what I called random.
Fail.
Well, I mean, it's not the first time that kind of a method has failed us. It's now I've got only $15 in my dad's account, which, I'm gonna have to reload accounts, or I'm gonna have to just sit there and try to win dollar trades all day, which I'm probably gonna quit all of that noise. But we'll talk about this tomorrow. We'll have another
let's just
live
end
session
it.
tomorrow.
We'll discuss it, and we'll come back tomorrow and talk about what we want to do.
Yeah, we'll tell you tomorrow what we think is gonna happen, because right now, I know Todd and I are kind of like probably thinking two different things. Maybe like I don't know.
I'm not. I'm not thinking two different things than you are.
You aren't? Okay. Well,
No.
well, we'll tell you. It'll be suspenseful. We'll tell you guys what we think tomorrow. Have a good night.
Good night.